Hey, it's Chris with Jondec Painting here in Orland Park. We're working on a big staining project for one of our clients. They have all this old oak doors, trim, whatnot. Just want them darker. You don't have to paint. Check this out. Just going dark. Of course, you have to take the time to protect all the walls. Tape everything off. Protect the flooring. But you can go then from this to this, stain and varnish. You don't have to sand it down to bare wood and start over. You can just do some gel staining and then seal over it with varnish, polyurethane, whatever you need. Keep it protected again. Looks great. But you gotta take the time to do it right. Protect everything. Taping all this off. Before. After. Looks great. Good work, guys.